Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan tayo abutin ng mga dikya.
Yeah. 6 years down, got my head in the clouds. Sometimes it's so hard to keep the dark thoughts out. Oh, I don't know how to feel. Let's hop on a plane and fly down to Brazil. Yeah, sun is setting on a bad day.
Uy! Parang kilala kita!
Sama mo ako sa boy.
Parang kilala ko to! Mayora! Mayora!
Hi, welcome to Marisol.
Sa liit ng Carmona, dito talaga tayo alam niya. Uy! Dito ka, Amren? Oh, ma, dito ka pala.
Kararating ko lang.
May, dito ka pala. Bakit? Problemado ka na. Share ka na.
Gave me a headache. Maybe I'll stay inside.
Bakit ba?
Anti-paradise. Do we speak the same language? Terrible translation. Always ready to fight, but we light up the room, so I guess it's alright.
At nandito kami ngayon. Nagdidikya, sightseeing.
Check this out. Am I out of my mind?
Hello, ma.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Dikia.
Hello, Tesmin. Si mami. Tumichill. Meron silang pool. Kaya tayo na slide niya. Pagod ako sa pag-akyat. Let's go. Ano, kaya pali. Kaya. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan tayo abutin ng mga dikya.
Tell me if you're down, Lord. Tell me how you feel. I've been feeling down low. If I'm being real.
Daming Dikia. Ay, Dikia. Sabay.